Hello, beautiful people. Arif Orya here from Orya Driving Academy, and I will be showing you route number 1 for G2 road test here at the Newmarket location. When you come here to this location, please make sure that you are parking your car in one of the designated parking spaces. Each parking space has a number. Please make sure that you know the number. It is recommended that you park your car in reverse. It will be easier for you to come out. Once you park your car, you will have to go inside the drive test center. There are designated kiosks for the road test appointments. You will have to enter your driver's license number. Please make sure that you are there half an hour before your road test. You do that, enter your driver's license number, and then your appointment will pop up. Hit next, and then the next screen will ask you a couple of questions. Please make sure that you answer them. The first question is about if you are wearing any eyeglasses. So if you are wearing any eyeglasses, please make sure that you put yes and make sure that you have them on you. If you don't have, or if you're not wearing any eyeglasses, then you can put no. The second question is about your medical condition. So obviously you're here for the road test. That means to say you're feeling good. If you're not feeling well, it's not recommended that you would do your road test. But if you're good, you can put no for that. And the next screen will be about your vehicle information. You will have to enter your car information, the make and color, the make of your car, like if it's Toyota or Honda, whatever it is, you put that in, the color of your vehicle, your license plate number, and the parking space where you have parked your car at. You'll have to enter that. And after that, then the next screen, so basically the kiosk will give you a ticket. The next screen is you acknowledge, you click on it, and the kiosk will give you a ticket. You grab the ticket, you come back to your car and sit in your car, wait for the examiner. While you're waiting for the examiner, please make sure that you have your seat belt on, your seat is adjusted, your mirrors are adjusted, everything is ready to go. The examiner will come from the left side. Make sure you start your car. If you sometimes we get nervous, so please make sure that you practice starting on and turning on and turning off your car a couple of times, so that way you feel comfortable. So turn on your car, the examiner will come, roll down your window. Practice these things before the examiner comes so that you know you're comfortable with it. The examiner will come in and will ask for your driver's license. You present your driver's license to him or her. They will ask for your full name, your date of birth, and then the examiner will go to the front of your car and will ask you to beep the horn or honk the horn or beep beep. So you do that, and then after that, the examiner will ask you for the right signal, then left signal. And then the examiner will go to the back of your car and will ask you for the same thing. Right signal, then left signal. And then the examiner will ask you to step on the brake a couple of times, take your foot off. So you do that. And then the examiner will come sit beside you and will read some stuff from their iPad, and you will have to sign it. Once you sign it, then the examiner will give you directions. Here at Newmarket, they will ask you to go right if you have parked on this side. So they will ask you to go right. So please make sure that you put your car in drive, have your signal on to the right side. Before leaving, make sure you do a good 360 degrees check. Check all around the back, this side, that side. Make sure there's no pets like dog, cat, children, people sitting here and there, people like, different situations. Just check. And when you're coming out, slowly keep on looking both sides, left and right. So when it's all clear, then you're gonna come out. So when you come out, and then here there is a one-way stop sign. They will ask you to go left. Mirror signal blind spot to the left. You come to a complete stop here. Check for any pedestrian left, right, and then you creep up, and then you wait here again. Check for any cars from both sides, left and right. When it's clear, then you're gonna go halfway in and then turn left. Turn left on Harry Walker Parkway South. So basically north side. So we're turning left on north side. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour, and continue on this lane. So you will be driving here, just making sure that you're comfortable. So sometimes they might ask you to turn left here at this traffic light, but mostly they will tell you to go straight. So we're gonna go straight this time. and keep going. I will be also posting the route number 2 as well, so watch route number 1 and number 2, so just in case they change the streets. Any intersection coming your way, please make sure that you're looking left and right, and just continue on this road. Speed limit again is 50 kilometers per hour. Any intersection that's coming your way, look left, right, and just be comfortable. It's very easy, very simple, your G2 test. And I'm gonna cover every single thing in this video with you guys, so that way you feel comfortable. You'll be asked to go left here, so mirror, signal, blind spot to the left, and we will be turning left on Stackhouse Drive. So slow down. If there's any cars, no cars, you turn left. If there's any cars, you will have to wait there. If no cars, you just make your turn. Again, here as well, the Stackhouse Drive, the speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour. So maintain the 50 kilometers per hour here and continue. Any driveways, just watch for any cars pulling out and look both sides, left and right, and just feel comfortable. So again, the speed limit is 50 and stay at 50 speed limit. Then you will be asked to turn left on Leslie Street. So just be prepared here. There's a plaza on the right side. Just look left, right. Make sure no cars are pulling out. And from here on, about 100 meters in advance, I'm going to do mirror, signal, blind spot to the left where the broken line starts. Just get into the lane. Now it's a green light, but once there's one car in the intersection, I wouldn't go. Now I'm coming, it's a green light, no cars, no pedestrian on the left, and I'm turning left into the first lane closest to me. I will go about 15-20 meters, pick up my speed, recover, and then change lane to right, mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. Always go back to the right lane because the right lane is the driving lane. And the speed limit here is 60 kilometers per hour, but you'll be asked to turn right here. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. And let's turn right here on Gorham Street. So we will be turning right. It's a green light. I will check for pedestrian on the right side. Check, 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 and then turn right here. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour as well, and continue on this road here. And then you will be asked to turn left now. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. I'm gonna get into the middle lane right here, and as you guys can see, there's oncoming traffic. I'll go center myself and wait for those cars. Check for pedestrian on the left side as well when it's all clear, and then I'm gonna turn left here. I'm gonna try to cover almost everything that they ask on the G2 test. Just start from emergency stop for you guys. So if they ask you to do a roadside stop or emergency stop, so mirror, signal, blind spot to the right, pull over here, come to a complete stop. So and then once you come to a complete stop, then you turn on your hazard lights, park your car and pull your handbrake. That's a roadside stop or emergency stop. So I'm going to try to do everything for you guys so that to make it easier for you as well. So once you're done, the examiner will tell you you can leave once it's safe. So pull down your parking brake, put the car in drive, turn off the hazard lights, mirror, signal, blind spot to the left. Make sure there's no cars coming when you're coming out. If there's any car coming, do not move. So check and then come out just like this. Okay, that was the roadside stop for you guys, and I will do a parallel park with this car. So we're gonna do a parallel park. So mirror, signal, blind spot to the right. I'm gonna pull over 1 meter away from the parked car, just like that. When the taillight of that car is in the middle of my back door, my back window, I'm gonna stop. So I'll put my car in reverse. My signal is all the way to the right already. I'm gonna turn my wheels all the way to the right. I will do a 360 degrees check. If there's any car or anything coming, I'm not gonna move, and then I'm gonna start moving like this. Keep on checking, just like that. And then we're gonna turn the wheels all the way to the left and keep on checking 360 degrees. Keep the signal to the right all the time. And then I'm gonna do the parallel park for you guys, just like this. There's the parallel park for you guys. Once the car is straight, turn your wheels back 2 times to the right, park your car and pull your handbrake. That's the parallel park. The examiner will tell you it's okay now, leave when it's safe. So I'm gonna pull down the parking brake. I'll put the car in reverse and I will signal to the left. I will check all around, make sure no cars. I'll reverse a little bit until I see the bumper of the car in front of me. Once I can see that, then I'm gonna put the car in drive. Signal is already on. I'll check my mirror. There's a car coming. I'm not gonna move. So once there's no cars coming, then I can go and move. So just watch for any cars that are coming, and then you can go. So there's a pedestrian as well, so I'm not going to move. I'll wait for the pedestrian to clear, and then I will go. Okay, and I'm coming out now. There you go. That was parallel park for you guys. I'm going to do a downhill parking as well. Mirror signal blind spot to the right, and I'm going to pull over and do a downhill parking here for you guys. So you come to a complete stop, and then turn your wheels all the way to the right. Remember, for downhill, it's all the way to the right. And then you can touch the curb a little bit, slightly remove your foot from the brake, let the car touch the curb, and then park the car, pull your handbrake. That's downhill parking for you guys. So for downhill parking, if you're confused between turning the wheels to the left or right, remember DR, doctor. DR means downhill right. So remember, doctor, downhill right, so turn your wheels to the right. And for uphill, we will be turning the wheels to the left if it's with a curb. If it's without a curb, we're turning our wheels to the right as well. So the examiner will tell you to leave, so we're going to leave here. I'm going to put my down my handbrake, put the car in drive, and turn my wheels back to the left. And then I'm going to do my mirror signal blind spot to the left, and I'm slowly going to come out. And then the examiner may ask you to do a 3-point turn. So I'm going to do a 3-point turn as well for you guys. So there you go. You got everything in one package. So mirror signal blind spot to the right. I'm going to pull over here to the side. Make sure you're 30 centimeters away from the curb. You come to a complete stop here. You come to a complete stop, then you check your mirror, signal to the left, turn your wheels all the way to the left, check, make sure no cars are coming, and you're gonna move all the way until the curb is under your mirror. Once that happens, then you stop, you change the gear first, and then check, do a 360 degrees check all around, signal to the right, and keep going until your mirror is in the middle of the road. Once your mirror is in the middle of the road, you stop. Then change your gear again, look right, left, signal to the left, and go. That's the 3-point turn for you guys. So there you go. I'm sure your instructors have worked hard with you guys and you know all these things, but it's a good refresher. You will know the streets, you will become familiar with the streets and everything, and that way this road test will be easier for you guys. So again, the speed limit on this street is 40 kilometers per hour. You will be asked to turn right at the stop sign. So mirror signal blind spot to the right. And we are going to turn right on Gorham Street. So I'm going to come to a complete stop here. Check for pedestrian left, right, and then creep up when there's no pedestrian, and then check left side for any cars. No cars, and then you're good to go. I will do a quick blind spot to the right and go. So, and then here they will tell you to continue straight ahead, and we're going to go on Gorham Street. So we'll continue. Any streets coming your way, just look left, right, and just be confident. Again, there's a red light. I'm going to stop behind this car. Okay, it turned red. But if you're stopping, make sure you're maintaining a good stopping distance. When you're going through an intersection, look left, right, and continue. Gorham Street. So we're going straight on Gorham Street. The speed limit here changes to 50 kilometers per hour. So all the way after we turned right, then the speed limit has been 50 kilometers per hour. So please make sure that you're maintaining the speed limit of 50 kilometers per hour and continue going this way until we reach to Harry Walker Parkway. That's when we are going to be turning right there. Look left, right for any driveways or any, streets, so that to make sure that those guys are not skipping the stop sign. Again, guys, Oria Driving Academy is here for you guys to help you pass your G2 and G test with flying colors easily. And we can speak your languages as well. So we can speak Persian, Farsi, Dari, Pashto, English, Urdu, Hindi, a little bit of Tagalog as well. If you like this video, if you have learned anything, okay, I'm gonna do mirror signal blind spot to the right. Sorry guys. So if you like this video, please make sure you're subscribing to my YouTube channel and leave me some great comments. And if you have any questions, write them in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay, when you're stopping behind another car, please make sure you have a good space where you can see it's a green light. Check the pedestrian on the right side, no pedestrian, and then you can turn right. But if it is a red light, please make sure that you're coming to a complete stop. If it's a red light and you're turning right, treat it like a one-way stop sign. Come to a complete stop behind the line, then creep up, check for pedestrian first, and then creep up and check for cars from the left side. When it's all clear, then you can go. But green light, just look for pedestrian on the right side. If there's no pedestrian, go ahead. Okay, we're going to be going back to the drive test center. Mirror signal blind spot to the right, and I'll be turning right here. So when you're coming back, guys, please make sure that you're watching for pedestrian, cars, like it's going to be busy here, all these things, and then you'll be asked to park your car in one of the parking spaces. Yeah, the fun part starts now. So continue this way, and just keep on looking for pedestrian and all these things. If there's a car like this in front of you, do not rush. There's no rush. So try to stay calm, try to take your time. Do not rush, and unless the examiner gives you the direction and tells you, okay, you can go from the left side, then you can go from the left side. If not, just wait here, wait for their direction to give you. So do not make wrong decisions in the last minute, because this is the time where you have done all the hard work and it's the end. So you don't want to fail in the last minute because of some pedestrian or things like that. So just come here and keep going, and you will be asked to park in one of these parking spaces. So if you're parking on the right, stay in the middle and do mirror signal blind spot, and let's park right here because this guy is taking so long, and we're gonna park right here. There you go, guys. That is pretty much it for your G2 road test. I will be posting route number 2 as well, so watch that video. And once you complete your test, you will be sitting in the car, and the examiner is going to come to the examiner will tell you whether you pass or fail, and will give you some feedback. And then you will have to go inside the drive test center, and then they go to counter A, grab that ticket that you got at the beginning. They will call you by name or by your ticket number, and then you present that, and then they will give you a temporary license, the paper one, and will tell you that you will be getting your plastic license within 3 to 4 weeks in the mail. And if you have updated your address, please make sure that you mention that to them so that they can update it in the system for you. Good luck, all the best, guys. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to help and support you guys. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you think this video was useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and all the best for your road test. Don't forget to follow me for more videos.